If you'd like to join us in the flag salute, please stand, put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hi boys and girls and families, welcome to Catskill. We're so excited to see you on April 13th. For our PALS program through first grade, again, what time are we going to come? 8 o'clock, and we're going to leave at 11 a.m. For second and third grade are going to enter. This is on 236th Street at this gate. Remember, we come in at 8 a.m. and we leave at 11. This is the gate for 4th and 5th grade. All students are going to enter at 8 a.m. and exit at 11 a.m. Hi boys and girls, this is for our younger students that are new to us. For ETK, TK, PALS, and kindergarten, this is what your classroom will look like.
Our staff wants to thank all of our parents and caregivers for the information that was given to help us organize for both distance learning and the upcoming in-person hybrid programs. We encourage all stakeholders to continue to stay tuned in order to find out about the new updates. Catskill's campus will be open for the students that are enrolled in the hybrid program. Please pay attention to the following dates as they are staggered to help students get used to the safety protocols and classroom routines. We'll start with on Tuesday, April 13th, PALS through first grade students will be back on campus. On Wednesday, April 14th, second and third grade students will be back on campus. Thursday, April 15th, 4th and 5th grade students will be back on campus. Please be patient and allow our teachers and staff members to help our students in the hybrid learning program adjust to the new norms. Hybrid program starts at 8 a.m. and the dismissal time is at 11 a.m. A helpful place to learn about next week's return to campus is reading the Spring Family Guide. You can download an English or Spanish version on the school website. Students who are enrolled in the hybrid program must take regular COVID-19 tests. The student ID number, which is on your child's report card, will be used to register for the COVID-19 test and to get access into the daily pass. If you need the student ID, please check the most recent report card or call the school. It is important to keep the student ID in a handy place because you will be referring to it frequently. LAUSD is still providing grab-and-go meals to all families at White Middle School from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals are included in the grab-and-go meals. Dr. Afia Hemphill will be leading a town hall meeting on Tuesday, April 13th. Please join Mr. Mizuno and the PSW interns for a mindful parenting group. It's happening soon. Mr. Mizuno and the PSW interns are also providing parent empowerment workshops. These workshops revolve around the challenging experiences that families are facing. The City of Carson also has some community updates. Join the virtual Autism Awareness 5K Run or Walk Marathon. Please register online. On Saturday, April 24, it is National Prescription Drug Take Back Day. Carson Community Center will be taking back any unused or expired medicines for a safe disposal. Housing is key. Please check the City of Carson's website for information about California's COVID-19 rent relief program for renters and housing owners. Free taxi rides with the Yellow Cab Taxi Company are available to Carson residents who need a ride to COVID-19 vaccination sites. The City of Carson Parks and Recreations program is now hiring summer day camp workers. Carson Sheriff's is organizing a community blood drive event. Sign up if you'd like to be a blood donor. There's going to be more updates during the week that you need to know about. Please check Class Dojo and our school website, www.catskillcougars.org.
Welcome back, Catskill Cougars. I can't believe it's April already. Do you guys remember what it was like when we first started distance learning? It was kind of hard at first, right? You had to learn how to log on to Schoology and Zoom and Clever and learn how to open windows and close windows and go back and forth. And even though it was hard at first, you got it later, right? Because you didn't give up and you kept trying even when you made mistakes. So you used growth mindset, which is believing in the power of yourself and your brain. It's when we know with practice that we'll get better at something. Think about learning how you learned how to ride a bike. You didn't just learn how to sit on the bike and start pedaling. You had to learn how to balance, learn how to hold your handlebars and control the wheel. You had to learn how to pedal at the same time and brake. There are a lot of steps. You weren't born knowing how to write your name or ride a bike or use the computer. You practiced a lot. You made mistakes. You fell down. You deleted something or moved some apps around, but you learned from your mistakes, right? You learned how to do it better every time. And each time you did it, you got stronger and smarter. We are learning all the time, and your brain is getting stronger and smarter all the time. So as we learn new things or try new things, keep telling yourself that even if it's hard right now, with practice, you'll get better. You might not know how to do something yet, but with hard work and persistence, you will. In the next video, you're going to watch just what growth mindset really means. Have a wonderful week, everybody.
Nobody's born smart. We all start at zero. Can't talk, can't walk, certainly can't do algebra. Adding, reading, riding a bike? Nobody's good at anything at first. There was a time when Einstein couldn't count to 10. And and Shakespeare had to learn his ABCs just like the rest of us. Thankfully, we're born to learn. Slowly, surely, you stumble, slip, crawl, fall, and fail and fall. Frustrating, confusing, trying, struggling, until one day, you walk. One foot in front of the other, one idea on top of the next, each wrong answer making your brain a little bit stronger. Failing is just another word for growing, and you keep going. This is learning. Knowing that you'll get it, even if you haven't gotten it yet. Because the most beautiful, complex concepts in the whole universe are built on basic ideas that anyone, anywhere, can understand. Whoever you are, wherever you are, you only have to know one thing. You can learn anything.